Hello and welcome to DCF Company Valuation Module for Beginners course. My name is Ardeanik. I designed this course for absolute beginners who wants to learn company valuation methods, especially discounted cash flow model. I have 20 years of experience with project management and financial management backgrounds. And by the help of my entrepreneurship skills, I designed this course to solve your common problems. How you can learn basic terminology of financial modeling and company valuation methods, how you can value your company without any prior financial background, and finally, how you can use Excel for designing a discounted cash flow analysis template. In this course, you will find the answers of these questions. I know what you have in your mind. Who are the instructors of this course? My name is Ardeanik. I established my company Projapart in the year 2002 and involved hundreds of projects as a project manager. I am also lecturing at Istanbul Beykoz University and Istanbul Bilgi University. I am giving consultancy services for the companies and entrepreneurs who want to move their business to the next level. In this course, first of all, you will learn the basic terminology of financial modeling and company valuation. Next step, we will be learning the components of DCF model. Then, together, we will work on three statements financial model: income statement, balance sheet, and cash flow statement. We will use the data from these three statements to build an Excel DCF template to value a new generation application development company. As a bonus material of this course, I will give you some information about pitch decks and presentations. If you want to learn about company valuation methods and evaluate your company with a simple and robust way, you are in the right place. Enroll today and be ready to move your business to the next level.